Hello, doctor. My name is XIAO QIAO. The topic of my report is exploring the impact of perceived enjoyment and perceived compatibility on online shopping intention. The subtitle is Analysis of Questionnaires based on SUKD University students. To begin with, I'd like to introduce the research background. With the rapid development of network technology, online shopping has become an important channel for more and more consumers because of its convenient and time-saving characteristics. At present, college students have developed into a relatively large consumer group. However, most researchers at home and abroad are based on the overall online shopping environment. Few experts focus on the influencing factors of online shopping intention of Malaysian college students, especially the relationship between perceived enjoyment and perceived compatibility. The objective of this study is to understand the impact of perceived enjoyment and perceived compatibility on online shopping intention. The research question is, what's the relationship between these two factors? That is perceived enjoyment and perceived compatibility and online shopping intention. Now, let's talk about the significance of the study. The research will be able to better enhance the online shopping experience of young people in Malaysia, help online businesses better implement marketing activities to promote online shopping turnover, help internet firms better improve user experience and differentiated services, so as to attract more users to participate in online shopping activities. Through reading the relevant research results, the existing literature shows that trust, perceived risk, perceived usefulness, and other factors have a certain relationship with online shopping intention. However, there are few studies on the relationship between perceived enjoyment, perceived compatibility, and online shopping intention, and few experts carry out relevant research on Malaysian college students. Therefore, it's necessary to investigate the influence of perceived enjoyment and perceived compatibility on online shopping intention of Malaysian teenagers. According to the research background, research objectives, research questions, and literature review, two hypotheses are put forward. First, perceived enjoyment has a positive impact on online shopping intention. Second, perceived compatibility is positively related to online shopping intention. After determining the independent variables and the dependent variables, the following research framework is constructed. RV include perceived enjoyment and perceived compatibility. DV was online shopping intention. Quantitative research method is used in this study because the research object, which is only for SUKD University students, is small. there is no second data to use. In this case, researchers have to collect the primary data. Now let's talk about samples and questionnaires. As this study is a mini project, the sample size is between 30 and 100. After calculation, 120 online questionnaires were randomly distributed among PhD and DBA students in SUKD University. A total of 120 questionnaires were distributed to the selected respondents, of which 65 were valid, 20 were invalid, and 35 were not returned. 65 valid questionnaires meet the sample size requirements of this project. The questionnaire in English consists of 3 parts. First, foreword. Second, basic information of the respondents. Third, the content of the survey, which was selected from the existing literature. Respondents were asked to choose from strongly disagree to strongly agree. After calculating the level of IVs and the level of DV in IBM SPSS, we use Smart PLS software to calculate the sample data. The final measurement model is shown in the figure below. It can be seen from the data in the table. The actual data for this coursework that I collected have achieved the validity and reliability criteria. In the structural model, we verify the hypothesis through Smart PL software and draw the following conclusions. The results show that the second hypothesis, perceived compatibility, is positively related to online shopping intention. However, the first hypothesis, perceived enjoyment, has no significant positive effect on online shopping intention. Finally, make a summary. This research adopts the method of quantitative research and takes the SUKD University students as the sample to collect the primary data through questionnaire survey. IBM SPSS software and Smart PLS software are used to evaluate the validity and reliability criteria of the measurement model, and then the hypotheses are tested by path analysis in the structural model. A study shows that perceived compatibility is positively related to online shopping intention, while perceived enjoyment has no significant positive effect on online shopping intention. The results of this study is critical to understand the online shopping intention of young people in Malaysia in order to make online shopping develop in a healthy and orderly direction.